The winter of our discontent, made glorious summer by this sun of York, and all the clouds that lord upon our house, in the deep bosom of the ocean buried. Now are our stems bound with victorious wreath, our bruised skin hung up for monuments, our stern alarms changed to merry meetings, our dreadful marches to delightful measures.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was just excited.
What's wrong, King Quaker and his trusty brown sugar steed?
Well, I've been having an existential crisis.
What's that?
It means I'm scared for life, son.
Oh no! Sounds terrible.
What can we do to help?
Well, I've been thinking, actually, and I think I have an idea.
What is it? What's your idea? Tell us, please, please, please. I want to know.
No, down, boy. Oh. My idea is to go to Fridgeland.
No, not Fridgeland.
Land of eternity.
Oh, why there?
Well, we can live forever there.
You want to live forever?
Well, maybe not forever, but a long time.
Oh, should we go find it then?
Yes, I will send my two bravest warriors and you, the orange, because you're the only other one.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I hate him so much.
Oh, let's go.
So I will send you off to Fridgeland.
Okay, all right. We'll be there in a jiffy. Bye, King Quaker.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Oh, hold on. It looks like we're at the bridge.
Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been to the bridge before.
Oh, that's good, I guess. But anyway, it doesn't look like it'll be that hard to cross. We can just walk right on across.
Whoa, what's under the bridge?
Oh, where?
Under the bridge. There's something underneath that. What is that, a troll?
Dude, that's our feet, you idiot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never been here.
Why did we bring him along?
Hey.
In all honesty, I'm not quite sure.
Oh, it looks like Fridgeland.
I mean, it might be a television, though. You never can tell with these things. Oh, look, it's Shop. It's Shopia.
It's Shopia.
And it's Shopia.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, okay, let's keep going. Let's look at that. And we're walking, and we're having
so fun.
Having so much fun.
Oh, yeah, so fun, though.
I think green, my skin color, might be the best color.
Why would you say that?
But it is. It's just simply the best.
I think orange is the best.
Orange? What do you think, Mr. Onion?
Oh, well, I don't know about orange, but green is just not a creative color.
Whoa. What'd you just say?
I said green is not a creative color.
Oh, shut up. You might anger the Hulk.
The Hulk?
Yeah, the Hulk. Well, here we are at the fridge.
Wait, what's that say? Of eternity.
That's what it's called.
Yeah,
Fridgeland.
yeah.
Land of eternity.
Yeah, what's eternity mean?
It's like more than tomorrow and the next day.
Uh-huh.
And the next day.
What?
And the next day.
What?
And the next day.
Okay.
All of those put together multiplied by 1.5 million. And that's how long eternity is.
Wow.
Yeah, and at the end of eternity,
Whoa.
we're going to be at the end of eternity, and the flying spaghetti monster is going to come rescue us, okay?
Oh, and then where do we go?
I think we go to the real Fridgeland, Land of Eternity.
Whoa,
It's like the ultimate fridge. It's like a Sub-Zero or something. I'm not sure. I just know it is a massive fridge.
So big.
So big.
What's in the fridge?
I heard that there's
Is there ice cream? Is there ice cream in the fridge? Please tell me
there's no ice cream in the fridge.
Is there orange juice?
Well, that means you'd be dead.
Oh.
Lily, orange juice is your guts.
Oh,